No, do you have to go your right? Take the right, sir.
Hey! Hey!
Jesus.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Are you okay?
Sorry. Ow.
Oh, your hand. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
You hit me when...
Did I hurt you?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I'm really sorry.
So how is it?
It's fine.
Okay.
Did I hurt you?
No, I'm okay. I'm good.
My apologies.
Just sorry for the...
That was really close.
Yeah, it was actually an impact.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nah,
really sorry.
I got this.
You're a copper?
Yeah. I'm a copper. I'm headed to my
CDS, right?
CDS.
Okay, cool. So you're in town?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you? Where are you headed?
Home, I think. Yes. Home.
So my cab is almost here. Could you join me? I could just drop you off.
No. It's actually fine. I actually have a keke guy coming. You can actually join me while your cab.
Oh, I think you joining me, it's gonna be better because of the comfort
No,
of the
keke
car.
just takes you anywhere. It's cool. It's fine.
All right,
bye.
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 Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Sorry for the arm.
Ooh. Mm.
Hello.
Oh, Jesus. Does it have to be now of all time?
My angel. You know, I never doubted my instincts. One man was telling me, go through this route and I will meet you today. What's up, baby girl?
Shift to the back, please.
Babe, come on, what is happening? I mean, you've not been taking my calls for some time now.
I've been busy. I'm working, okay? I'm not idle.
Hey, too busy to say hello to me? Hey, come on, babe.
Curtis, what do you want, please? What is it?
Babe, you know exactly what I want. Look at you. You are the hottest girl in this town. And check me out. I'm the hottest guy in this town, so I believe we belong together. I like you so much.
You and her?
What of course?
I've told you several times. You're not my kind. I do not feel the same way about you. I will never feel that way about you. You're not my kind of man.
Babe, listen. I am going to take care of you. Yes, very well. I am going to worship you with money.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay? Look, just stick around. Look around. This is soft life. Everywhere is soft. But we just run things now. Come on.
Can I just have my... You know what? Never mind. Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't worry.
Babe!
All this cap men, eh? They'll just be misbehaving.
Don't worry, I know your type. You're just playing initial gra-gra. I'll get you. I will definitely get you.
Is this my brother?
I don't understand.
Wow. Ooh. I'm suspecting that you're dressing to impress. Why did you dress fine in this?
I don't understand you. I don't dress fine normally.
Dress fine. You dress like an Obasela every single day with your one style of polo and trouser. One style with your raggedy slippers and everything.
Look at who is talking. Dress like a
Have
myself.
you ever worn jean to sell up before? You used to dress like an Obasela that you are. What am I expecting? Where did you dress to?
Papa girl. Anyways, I went for one job interview like that.
Job interview?
Yes.
What did they say? Did you get the job?
I didn't, sure. I mean, they said they wanted the graduates. When I saw the advert, I didn't know that they wanted graduates. When I got there, they said it's only graduate that they want.
Let them get away with their job. Who even wants their job when we have a business? When we are professional sellers, that's a business. Sometimes a business used to make more money than whatever they will pay.
Favor, you and I know that our business is not gaining grounds anymore. It's once in a while. Today you make this one, tomorrow you're not. It's not. You very soon you graduate from secondary school. You need to go to the university.
Still.
Same
thing. A month, what we get. But what did the Bible say about worrying about tomorrow? He says, do not worry about tomorrow. It will worry about itself. So if God kept us alive till today and he's still going to keep us alive till tomorrow, he has his plans. That means he will sustain us. All right.
When did you become smart?
I've been smart since just all your life. You've been saying no. You're
Opa,
too busy to notice.
Come on, remove your hand to my shoulder. You this Opa. Opa seller.
If you marry now, your wife, Opa, come.
If they open you from head to toe, is it not only Opa that is there? Your school, Opa. Your food, Opa. Your clothes, Opa. This your hair is Opa. Everything about you is Opa. Opa from head to toe.
Why? Because you introduced me to it.
Because I introduced you to it.
I came out to life and you brought me into Opa life.
I brought you into Opa life.
Every time, Opa. Go and cook Opa. Every morning.
Even see your leg now, Opa.
Leave me alone.
Opa leg. Better be thanking God that you have roof over your head. You imagine you like this in under the bridge or somewhere. Oh, God forbid. Opa girl. I say you're an Opa girl.
I will not bring food for you.
Don't worry. Tomorrow you look for money to go to school.
Don't bring.
You will look for until you say you're an Opa girl, you're not going to school tomorrow.
Until you agree that I'm not an Opa girl, I will not bring food for you.
Don't bring, I don't want.
Okay.
Opa girl.
Say it.
Opa girl.
No, say you're not an Opa girl.
It's me that will say it.
Yes.
Joker. Joker. Chukino. No, don't bring it now.
Stubborn. You're too stubborn. That's why I don't like you.
Your head is already shaping like Opa.
Nah, market is dry today. What kind of thing is this, eh?
I swear.
Nobody's passing, and even the people that are passing, they're acting like they went to restaurants.
It's like people are tired of Opa.
No, they cannot be tired of Opa.
But you to go and shout now. Shout this thing.
I've been shouting since morning. You want me to lose my brother? You said, are you even my brother? Do you care about me? Since morning, I've been shouting up and down. I've been convincing people. It's only 2 pieces we've sold. You want me to keep on shouting? If they see the Opa, they'll come and buy. I'm tired. Wait, first, I'm coming. Hold this thing. Customer, see our spot there. We dey sell Opa. Hot, sweet Opa. Welcome. You want buy Opa?
Yeah.
Hey!
What do you sell?
There's 500 naira own, there's 300 naira own. It depends on which one you want to buy.
Whichever one is fine by me. Can I get 5,000 naira?
5,000 naira? 5K? Yeah, customer, you serious? You go finish Opa? Make I go bring am.
Hey, come. My guy, is he your brother?
And my other brother be that. Yes. Make I go bring the Opa. But our Opa, I no go wait. The Opa sweets die. Okay. Make I bring them and they come. Customer, this is na 5K. I put jara 300 naira over for you. Where I know they waste time when it comes to customer, especially this type customer.
Thank you. Yeah. So
the money na 5K.
Here.
I even put jara for you.
Thank you so much. You're so kind.
Thank you.
Here,
thank you. Make a calculator. You know, say this day is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Customer, this one now. A mistake. Take this one. My money. Thank you.
Oh no. You can keep it.
No be mistake.
Keep it.
That's 10K.
Yeah, keep it.
Customer, you serious? Make we talk this thing for this economy where they here, so nobody they give person 5K for free. Oh.
It's fine, you can keep it.
Hey!
Yeah.
Thank you, customer! Thank you so much. They come every time, eh?
No, sure, I will come.
Okay.
So you guys sell here like
this is our area. This is our permanent spot.
You come here like every day?
Yes, every single day.
Oh, and he comes with you too?
Of course. He's the owner of the business. I'm his sister, so I'm helping him with the business.
Oh, wow, beautiful. Yes. I'll come from time to time too.
Oh, I can't wait for you to be coming.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bro. Thank you. My regards to your brother, okay?
Thank you. Hey, bro.
Opa dey hot for pot. No dough, no shake, now the real we got. Come chop Opa, you go smile. This Opa go hold you well.
Brother, bro, see money. He bought Opa of just 5K.
We dey sell am with love.
10,000 naira.
It's more than 5,000.
Hey, I told her it's more than 5,000 that she just give me my. She said I can take it, I can keep the change. It's like she's rich, oh.
Obviously, can't you see the car she was driving?
Hi. God.
10,000 naira.
God, when will somebody just have this kind of money that I will be spending it anyhow? If I see this person, I'll give this person 50K. I'll give this person 20K. Ha! God, oh.
Yeah, daydreaming.
It's not daydream. This person now that is giving it don't have two head, though. You don't have two head, though. But you that have one head now, will. Hi. But I believe someday it will happen, sir. Hey, she was even asking of your name.
My name?
Eh.
Why?
I don't know. Do you know her from anywhere?
No, not at all.
Okay, I know why she's asking for your name. So that if she eats the okpa and something happens to her, she'll come and arrest you.
Come on. You're not serious.
Is it that she will come and arrest you?
It's just that I will push you from.
Eh? I'm a child, so they will never carry
And that's
me.
the point. Because you're a child, they will not carry you. You say
Like
you're the one that
now,
cooked it.
this one now, now is enough for today, sir.
No, we'll still sell more. Even if
I
you
know,
said
I'm just
extra,
saying, this is
extra
what we used to
5,000,
make in the normal
please.
days.
No, I forgot to that time we made like.
Okay, 50K.
See this girl.
Buy your okpa, this is just gingered me now.
Uh-huh.
Buy your okpa.
Babe, now, why did you keep me waiting?
Sorry, it's my fault. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Wait, what's with this? You have to. What's with
That's Okpa.
that? Okpa. When did you start eating okpa, this lady?
Well, I've been eating Okpa for the longest of time, if I can remember.
You say what?
I have always... Why? Why are you asking me so many questions about it?
Sister, no, you haven't.
Of course, I always do.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
What is wrong with you?
It's always ew. I don't like this food. It's not good. Why do people even eat this food at all? It's not food.
Jesus Christ.
That is what you always say. And you just said it as of recent, yesterday.
Who said that?
You.
Are you okay, Tana? I can't remember saying such a thing. I didn't say it.
Anyway, show you bought up, Baba.
Of course.
You're going to eat it, Baba?
Why else will I buy Okpa if not to eat? I'm going to eat it.
No problem.
You
eat it.
mean you've not seen me eat Okpa before? Is that what you're saying?
She they tell me say my brain they pain me.
Guy, I need to focus because I'm driving.
No
So
problem.
did you get it?
Well, I did, but the woman is she's funny. But I got it.
That's where they'll see you. We need to stop by that designer and get my outfit because I need to be prepped.
The outfit is even Okpotokot.
I beg you. Let's just...
Okay.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Why are you looking at the okpa like that?
Why are you looking at me and the Okpa like that?
Eat the okpa.
Of course I will. Am I not going to eat before?
Eat it.
You eat.
Eat first. Oh wow.
Really?
And she's eating it. Wait. Let me get this right. What's happening? You know that I've known you for 6 months. And in that 6 months, you don't like okpa. You detest it. You hate it. And today, you're eating okpa. What's going on?
It is really good.
This is shocking.
I like it.
I just finished it. You're coming down. I'm going
Stop
to
talking. It's bad manners to be talking and eating.
Bad man, bad man, no. Take it easy. Shine your water. Hey, God.
Hi. Nice. Good afternoon. Right. Oh. Hi.
Hi, customer.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How much okpa do you want?
You don't remember me, do you?
No.
Well, we've met several times. The first time we met was when you saved me. I was about falling on the street. I was on phone and...
Oh, you're that copper.
Yes, I'm the copper.
Oh my God, I remember you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I couldn't recognize your face. I'm not so good with faces.
It's fine. I come here often. Yesterday I was here. I bought okpa from your sister, your younger, the one that is very lively and
Okay,
jovial.
the one that bought 5,000 naira okpa.
Yes, it's me.
Oh, did you enjoy it?
It was so nice.
I'm
Thank you so much.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. So how many, you know what, just wait. Yeah.
Oh, let me get money from the car.
Oh,
so I can pay you.
no. It's a gift from me to you.
A gift?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
You're so kind.
You're welcome.
So how is business?
Business is fine. We are selling.
Okay. One of your younger sisters, is she?
Oh, she went to school. She's not back yet.
That's, yeah.
Yes.
All right. You're always here, right?
Yes, I am. I am.
I can stop from time to time to say hi.
Yeah, no, definitely. Okay.
All right. So how is business?
Very well. We thank God. We can't complain.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you
All
for
right.
this.
You're welcome.
Bro. Good afternoon.
How are you feeling?
Hey, I'm not fine. No. If I tell you that I'm fine, I'm a very big liar.
What's wrong with you?
I saw one car passing here that time I came. Who's that?
Don't you recognize her?
Who's that now?
That's customer of yesterday that bought plenty.
Hey, that was customer. Hey, Chai, that woman is very rich, yo. That woman has plenty money, yo.
You can see
She's so rich.
When
I grow up, I want to be like her. I've aspired to be like, I know that you had no aspirations when you were growing up. That's why you ended up like this. But now that you have already brought me out to the world like this, let me just find a better life ahead. And be like her when I grow up.
It's for people that have brain now. You don't have brain.
I have brain.
It's Okpa that fill your brain.
It's you that don't have brain. Yes, it's you that don't have brain.
Yeah, come and go home. You're smelling. I don't know what you did in school today, but yeah, you're smelling sweat. Go
you are smelling
Okpa. Okpa is better than sweat. Where did I drop that key, sir?
You gave me spec in the morning.
See,
I'll go and use it.
You know that you have spare key. You didn't go home to bed.
Now I wanted to see you first before I go.
See me that what?
I care about you, unlike you that doesn't care about
you came
somebody.
to kill me with body odor. You're saying
You that has body odor there.
Sweetheart.
Mr. Cletus.
Yes, how are you?
Very well.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
I got you this.
Sorry, I can't take it.
Hey, babe, come on. It's just a harmless gift.
And please, don't call me babe. My name is Harper. I've told you several times, I don't like you. I don't have feelings for you, so I can't just take this. It's not proper to me. Sorry, I won't.
Babe, I've really tried. I mean, what am I going to do to show you how much I love you?
You don't have to do anything because I don't feel anything for you. You're not the kind of man I want to be with. And please, you have to stop coming to my house unannounced. I don't like it. It's so, it's weird. I can't just walk in and you're here waiting for me. What would people in my compound say?
Babe, you don't have to be doing this, okay? Just take a look at me. I'm a good guy with swag.
Exactly. Can you just please move your car? I need to drive in. You're blocking my way, please.
Hey, listen. I'm not going to stop until you consider me.
You better stop because it's never going to work. Now move your car, please.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Sure. Just, you should just take a look at the gift and...
It's fine. Thank you.
It's fine.
I'm fine, Dad. How are you? Of course, you know I miss you and Mom. Yeah. Daddy, come on, I'm fine. I promise you, I'm very safe here. Ah, Jesus Christ. Dad, for the up-10th time, I am fine. I'm comfortable. Jesus Christ. It's safe. You know I do. I miss you and Mommy. Yes, I'm going to come back once I'm done. Dad, I'm safe. I said it already. All right, I'll call you later, okay? All right, love you. My regards to Mom. All right. Okay, bye. Ah, Jesus Christ. I'm tired of my father. Like, does this man think I'm a kid? Like, I'm an adult. I know what I want for myself. Can you imagine my dad telling me to leave what I'm doing to come and work in his friend's company because he thinks I'm not safe here? I like here, please. I like the fact that I'm going to try something new and, the environment is suiting. That's what it is.
No. But
forget about him, though. Let's talk about something else. What's up?
But you know he's looking out for you, right? You know, right?
I know, but at times he does too much. It's just too much.
He said they worry.
So what's going on?
Wait. I don't understand. I have to ask. Why is there plenty of in this house? What's going on? What didn't happen?
Let's just say I like someone who sells oppa.
Eh? You say what? Eh? Wait, no wonder. I was saying there's a story behind this oppa in this house. It can't be.
Shut up.
Okay, wait. Does he know you like him?
Well, no.
Why not?
What do you mean, why? It has to take time.
Okay, wait. Oppa seller. Don't you think he's way out of your league?
Jesus. Hannah,
Mm.
are you the one saying this? Come on, girl, you know me. I don't think that way.
Sure, that one is true because if you are thinking that way, you'll not be friends with my broke self.
Now I know where you're going to. You better stop.
Okay, wait. So he fine, ba? Is he fine?
Wait until you see him.
Okay. Mom like seeing him.
When you see him, you see him.
She ain't fine.
I don't know. When you see him, you're going to tell if he's fine or not.
Can I see him tomorrow?
Can you just shut up? That's...
Okay.
I don't understand. Come, where's your boyfriend? Call your boyfriend. Have you apologized? No, you're very troublesome. Bring your phone.
Oh,
okay, don't worry, I have his number. I'm calling him.
One, you don't do tomorrow.
Is there food? I beg, I'm hungry. Is there food?
Don't worry, I'll get for you. I made food.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
Okay, let me go get it for you.
Oh, come past that. Why are you still laughing?
No, Bobo with the talk for.
And I will just... So, are you waiting for me to ask what you think about him?
Oh, but the guy is fine. So fine. Oh my God. Like, wait. He no get money. He fine like this. Imagine when you can't get money. Hey! Oh my God. Wait, babe. Your eye go market. Oh, the guy fine die.
I know.
Wait, I'm thinking you should tell him how you feel about him now. I mean,
I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush.
no waste time. Tell him.
Is he not my man? Sorry, is he not going to be my man? I have my ways. Let me do it my way.
Okay, voila. What about the other one?
What about that?
Cletus.
I beg. You know, I don't like him. I will never... It's not my type now. How you want... Alec, look at this guy. It's like Cletus. How?
You see that guy don't do your case since we came here.
And so what? I don't like him. I don't... Please, he's not my spec. He's not my type.
He's not looking like he's going to take a cheap pill anytime soon.
That's his business. You know, you can have him if you want.
No. I dash you.
Oga eats.
See, you need to let that guy know because I don't.
I will tell him. Can I rest now?
All right.
Well, I'm happy you know he's cute.
know he's very cute. He and his oppa are looking very beautiful.
Is that necessary?
Sorry now, see now, his complexion now. Wait, Mama. This one looks fine.
Market today, eh? It's going so well. Wow. I'm so happy, oh. I wish every day would just be like this, like this.
Oba dey
Eh?
hot for pot.
Bye, Oba.
No dough, no shake, na the
Oba,
real we
Oba.
got. Come chop
Oh,
Oba,
I've
you
made
go
plenty
smile.
money.
This Oba go hold you well for a while.
Hi.
Oba dey hot for
Hey,
pot.
customer.
No dough,
Hi.
no
Welcome,
shake,
ma.
na the real
How
we
are you?
Welcome, very, very fine.
Come chop Oba, you go smile.
Where is your car now? You
This
don't come
Oba
to
go
your
hold
car.
you well
I have a
for
flat
while.
tire.
Hey, that's something entered inside it.
The car just stopped me on the way.
Chai, sorry.
And the mechanic says it will take some time for him to get here.
Hey, are you in a hurry to leave?
No. I'm just
Okay,
looking for where
just sit
to
down.
sit while I wait for him.
Then
Can
sit
I?
down. Yes, of course.
Thank you.
In fact, for my brother, because my brother knows how to fix all this car. Yes, whenever cars spoil around here or keke or bike or anything, he will enter inside immediately.
Wow.
Do it and the person will move.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you can wait for him, he will do it for you.
Sure, I could wait.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's if he comes before my mechanic.
Of course, he's not even go far. He just went around here. Somewhere around here. He should be back very soon.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Favor, ma.
Favor. Wow, that's a beautiful name for a beautiful
thank
girl.
Ah.
So why are you not in school today?
Oh, meet and break.
Meet up. Oh
My
gosh.
favorite time of the month.
I forgot. Well, my name is Papa.
Oh, I've never heard that name before.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
It's unique.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Hey, ma, please. It's bad to have a visitor and not give her anything. Should I give you up?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
They used to sell chilled pure water.
No, I had
Down
something
there.
before coming here. I'm good. I'm cool.
Okay. Auntie, sorry I'm disturbing you.
No, you're not.
I want to ask, what do you do for a living? I'm not asking, sorry, I'm asking like that. It's just, I used to see you used to come with your car, you have a car, you dress fine, you different types of hairs when you're coming here. And I like it. And when I grow up, I would like to be like that. I'm an aspiring rich billionaire. So I don't know if you tell me what you used to do that. When
You're
I
so
grow up,
funny.
I'll start doing it.
Well, I'm a copper.
Copper.
Yeah.
Only copper.
Yeah, I'm a
So
copper.
coppers get this kind of money.
No. I'm a copper, yes, but I have well-to-do parents, so they can provide the cars that I drive, they can finance my life, give me money to buy the hairs and the clothes and the shoes that you admire. And also, I schooled abroad. Yeah, I just got back because I have to, further my studies and, of course, know how the environment is here.
Stop saying it. This is market. Stop saying it. It's market.
Why?
And because you live there, you don't know what it's like. Just be laughing and be doing, give me signs. Now, don't say it loud here. That's wonderful. Oh. So there's no how I can be rich like this now.
But if you want to be rich, you're supposed to focus on your studies. That's what you're supposed to do now. And of course, be at your best behavior. Because if you divert from that, you lose it.
I'll
It's nothing.
no, nothing. It's because you grew
You're
up
so
abroad.
funny.
That's why you. Hey, bro.
Customer.
Welcome.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Bro,
You're
we've been
here.
waiting for you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, no, a car. Something enter. Like, she has a flat tire. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh.
Yes, she said she has been waiting for a mechanic to come. I told her that you are expert in fixing car, fixing keke, bike. Sometimes you used to end on down. You know all these things about cars. I don't know. So I told her to wait for you.
Can you be of help with that? You change the car tire.
Where's the car?
It's back there, just right in front. Oh, you have me?
I knew
Oh,
it.
thank
I
you.
know that my brother can do this
All right,
thing.
I'll see you, yeah?
Okay, I'll be
Let me
waiting
just-
for you, bro.
Sure.
Give me. Did you even bring any
This
money?
way.
Did you bring money? No. You will carry bag. You will carry bag. It will be like you have millions inside. See how fine the purse is. Is Akuraku purse. And maybe you bought it 500 naira.
I've put the jack in the car. Everything is inside now, so your tire is good.
Thank you so much, Madika. That was really fast.
It's nothing. It's fine. It's nothing.
Just give me a second.
No, if it's money you're going to bring, please don't bother.
No, I have to give you something, so I
Why?
appreciate you.
No. Look, I would have done this for anybody on the streets. Just any random person, talk less of you that is my very big customer.
No,
No,
just to say thank you for what you've done. This is something really big to me.
no, trust me, it's okay, it's fine, I'm okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes, it's...
And why don't you join me so I could drop you off at your shop?
No. I will just walk.
You know it's not far. I could just stop you by, you know?
Who's this one?
Let me just get my... Sorry. Hey, Jesus. Oh my God.
It's okay.
Did it break?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Just take...
It's broken.
It's okay.
Please,
All right.
How much is this? I could...
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. All right now.
But your phone...
Don't worry. It's fine.
Sorry, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Opa. Bye, Opa.
Hey. Hi.
Customer.
How you doing? My name is not customer. I'm called Harper.
Welcome, Harper. Do you want something?
No, I don't want Harper. Maybe later. But I came for something else.
What is it?
I'm sorry about yesterday. I'm sorry about your phone and...
Oh, no. Don't bother. My phone is still good. It's still working.
But I want to make it up to you. Have this.
Well, what is it?
Why not take it and open it up first?
Oh, no.
Take. Open it.
No. I can't accept this.
Well, it's too late because I got it already, so you have to take
No,
it.
do you know how much this phone is?
I made your phone fall yesterday.
No, but my phone is working, and this is too expensive. My phone is a touchlight phone, and it's still working. It falls all the time. It's okay.
It's fine. You can
Look,
keep it.
I can't accept this. Seriously, it's too expensive for me.
Well, I'm sorry I can't take it back because it's already here.
But you have to take it back.
No, I won't.
Customer, please, just take it back.
Please, just keep it and use it.
I can't accept it.
My number is inside in case you want to call me. I saved it there.
No, customer.
All right, bye.
What's up?
Wow.
Look at phone here. Not that your what's it called? Phone touchlight phone. What do you call it?
Look, I'm not keeping it. I'll return it.
What do you mean? Why? But she gave it to you now.
Do you know how much this phone is?
And so she has the money, and the money is not from a questionable source.
And how do you know this?
Her parents are rich.
How do you know it?
I've not told you. We are parties now. We talk. We
wow.
are friends. We are close. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. And do you know that? Don't say this out loud before they come and carry us. She grew up abroad.
Wow. You have all the details.
And we are close. Like we speak like friends, best friends.
As what? Opa people. Well, that's not the point. Like, I'm returning it.
Why do you want to return this phone? Tell if you can give me 5 comfortable, good reasons why you want to return this phone, I'll support you. What kind of thing is this now? I mean, who do they give sweet and the person rejects it?
Me, I guess. You know, just pack it. I'll return it tomorrow.
Cooler man, man.
You,
if
your
not
Opa,
that
get.
in your life, that Opa, nobody will buy it because it's bitter.
My Opa is the sweetest Opa in this town.
It's because of me.
It's a lie. What do you know? Look at this
Why
one.
can't you return this kind of sweet phone that everybody's rushing? And it's must if you give anybody this phone now, if you give anybody this phone, the person will fall for you even if you don't have money. Nonsense, Oba man. Abi, should I hide the phone and be using it and give you how only they cut on?
Bye, Opa. How much? 500. Thank you, eh?
I didn't get a call or text from you. What's up?
That's because I didn't open the phone.
But I asked you to open the phone.
Huh? I want to return it.
I'm not taking the phone back. I told you already.
I can't accept it.
But you have to accept it.
Please, just take it. It's too expensive.
Please, just keep it. I want you to keep it.
Look, it's too much. Please, I can't accept it.
All right, fine. It's no longer for free. Whenever you have money, you can pay back. Okay, I don't mind.
Look, I don't know if I'll ever in my life be
I
able to
don't
afford
care.
this.
It could take 10 years or 20 years. I do not care. I'm going to wait. Okay?
Look, I'm sorry, but I cannot accept it. Just take.
Are you for real?
Yes.
You can throw it away, but that's to give it to someone who needs it. Excuse me.
Harper.
Keep it. Call me. He's calling me. Hello?
Hey.
Hey. You called?
Yeah.
That means you're keeping the phone?
I don't have a choice. Thank you for it. And how do I pay you back?
Do you have to pay back? All right, fine. Maybe I have a way that you can pay back.
Okay.
You want to hear it? What if... tomorrow, how is your tomorrow going to look like? What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Saturday. I think the only thing I know I'll be doing is just selling Okpa.
So when you're done, you don't have something else to do? All right, what if we sit out?
Okay.
So I'm seeing you tomorrow. All right. Tomorrow then?
It's nice hearing from you.
Bye. Good night. Tomorrow.
Someone finally accepted the phone that is forbidden from collecting. You accepted the phone later.
I don't have a choice. Yeah.
See this one, see phone, you would have just, immediately she brought it, you would have grabbed it. You wanted to do shakara, you wanted to be the woman in the relationship and let her beg you.
Come in favor. Relationship. This is like the 15th time you have been talking things that are insinuating relationship. Where are you learning all these things from?
I used to watch film. You don't know that you're supposed to be watching. You yourself, leave up sometimes and watch film and be a soft man. So that if you meet someone like this, that's why you're not married though. You're getting old like this, you're not married because you don't even know anything about being soft, being any romantic for relationship.
I should leave Okpa. How will you eat?
I'll still eat the Okpa. I'll just make Okpa and eat. Same thing.
Then how would you go to school? You should leave Okpa. Just open your mouth and be talking. Wah.
You just on generator. I pass my neighbor generator. I don't even know how to do it.
I will not pay your school fees next time.
Sorry.
No, you just keep talking.
Sorry now.
No, now keep talking.
Hey,
Okpa girl.
forget that one. I heard you talking about I'm free tomorrow
to do
just to
this
set up. That's I'm free. So what's happening there tomorrow?
Wait, you have started eavesdropping on my conversations.
Tell me now. Forget about just this phone now that you've gotten like this phone conversation. Everything you now want to act professional with me. Eh?
Do you have iPhone?
You
Did you have iPhone at my age?
Do you have anybody?
Even
Have you ever touched phone? This phone can buy you. Anyways, I'm going out with her.
You're going out on a date with her. You're going on a date, bro!
What date are you? See this girl?
You're going on a date now.
You don't know to see that girl. That kind of person will go out on a date with me.
But if not date, why else would you be going out? Where are you going to?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Chai. Hi. This is my brother. The only thing you know how to do is sell Oba.
The only thing you know how to do is open your mouth.
Let me teach you. You don't know all these small things. You don't know that as you have seen that you have gotten involved, you're supposed to say, oh, let me take you out. Yes! You have to wait for her to be the first person to gift. After gifting, she still called you. You don't know this small chemistry. Now that you've seen that people have chemistry in relationship, you will not start small.
Chemistry? This is the reason why you ran away from science class. Because the only thing you know about chemistry is man and woman. Is that what chemistry is about?
I don't understand. I'm not a science student, so I cannot.
How would you be a science student when you can't pass the science?
Don't insult me like that.
And that's why you were dodging her, because you can never pass it, because the only chemistry you will know is chemistry between man and woman.
Where is your certificate?
Which kind of
chemistry man, chemistry teacher. If you give me your certificate now, we'll start talking. We'll start conversing.
I don't blame you. If not that I dropped out from school so that you can go to school, would you have this mouth to be talking?
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay, what?
It's okay.
Piget.
Yeah,
Just waste the money. Chemistry is man and woman.
I don't even understand why they are balancing letters in that chemistry. The first time I did it there, my first test was 1/10.
How will you pass?
Hey, bro. Forget this chemistry thing. I'll help you pick out perfect clothes for you tomorrow. In case where she's taking you to is I enter date thing, I enter that thing. You know, we don't know where you're going to.
Don't worry, wherever she's taking me to, I have shirts that I bought from those guys that used to spread their clothes on the floor. I picked some shirts. You like them, don't worry.
From where they used to spread clothes on the floor.
Trust me, those people sell original.
I cannot trust you.
That place, if you see Mark and Spencer's original clothes button, you will see better original 100% cotton. Those people that used to sell all this rubbish that boutique used to sell. Original.
All this rubbish that boutique used to sell.
Yes, now. Boutique is not rubbish they're selling. I promise you, love it. What do you think? Is it not fine?
Turn around. Are you going to talking?
Much talking.
Try first. Try and talking.
Am I going for interview? What do you mean talking?
It looks like a gentleman. Just talking. No. It's not fine. It's not fine now. Go and change. You're looking like an Mbeke man.
Just small consult that I'm consulting you. You've already started to consult.
Sorry, Dick.
Because I asked for your opinion, no mean that you insult my life.
Take first. And try and bottle the rest of the shirt.
To the neck.
Not to the neck, like to the second one, the third one. Don't know fashion. You're just.
No fashion. Fashionista. Because I'm paying your school fees, you're going to school. You want to form in everything.
Fast. A little.
Just relax.
It's a man that used to wait for woman. Woman not used to wait for man. It's
no man that has plenty clothes that won't mix. You guys don't have good clothes. All the money that we have, I've been using it to buy you shoes.
Makeup to do.
I've been using it to buy you shoes. I don't used to buy myself anything. So you to be grateful. You're calling me Mbeke. See your mouth. If you don't like it, let me know so I change it quick. That's.
Why would you? You have bad tastes. You have bad tastes.
Is it fine or is it not?
It's not fine. Bottom look like.
Are you sure it's not the trouser?
Which shoe will you wear?
Slippers.
Wear this one first. Let's check. If it's not fine, we'll wear this one. Is fine.
I have one very nice slippers.
This one is a little bit fine. But let's check this one. If this one is not fine, you wear this one.
You're stressing me.
Male version of Mbeke.
Something is wrong with your mouth. Big head.
Good
No, this one is short sleeve. You know I don't like short sleeve.
Fine man. This one is fine. Just see how you show your muscle. It's showing your muscle. That one looks like you're going for job interview.
You're sure?
Yes, now this one, you don't know. Wait, you're not bossing the way. You don't know. Whenever fine men want to check women like this, they will wear short sleeve. If they even have tight short sleeve, they'll be showing their muscle. But this
so
one,
I should see my muscle.
yeah, now they're going like this. The woman will be looking at them. You don't know.
Where did you learn this thing?
It's like bottom clothes, bottom your clothes.
So you'll be going about looking at people's muscles?
I know you look at people's muscles. It's only your muscles. This small thing. This small thing that is.
Favor, be careful.
This guy want to.
Be careful. It's cool that we sent you to go and learn. It's not muscle that we sent you to go and be looking at. When I come to school,
nobody in my class has muscle.
Yeah, sure.
See my brother. See my
rich.
brother. Hey, comb your hair. Take. Yeah. Comb your hair. I'm doing you good. Helping your life. You're eyeing me.
If she does not like all this thing if I come back, all this thing you have said, she does not say you're looking good. When I come back.
And if she says it?
Just wait first.
And if she says it now,
Just
let's
wait first.
strike a deal.
Are you opening gates for me or?
You
Do this gate. You're trying to grow too fast.
Is it the slippers that you see that you bought?
This is your big mouth. This is cool. It's like I'll stop it.
Hey.
Hey.
Good to see you.
Thank
Good
you.
afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Good afternoon. Oh, you look nice.
Thank you. You look really good too.
It's me that gave him the clothes.
Who
I
asked you?
even reminded him to brush his...
Who asked you?
Sorry.
Again.
It's fine.
Yes.
You did well.
Thank you.
Because he looks nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can you drive?
Well, I used to be a driver before.
Well, perfect. Did you say something?
Don't mind that.
No.
So.
You're driving us.
Oh, what?
And you're not saying no. Thank you.
It's just fun. Oh, take care of yourself.
Go on, drive. Open the car for me,
You should have
please.
told me that this is the kind of slippers you have. You tell
Hey,
me.
you don't finish that wine, the pot.
So if you to go and fight for food outside, you're struggling with your...
Can you help me with the door, please?
Go and open door for woman.
It's true. Who has been opening door for you? You this girl.
Which guy would you open door?
But you tell me something, eh?
Okay.
You are spoiled. You are spoiled. People, who has been opening car door for you? You will tell me when I come back. When I come back, you will tell me. Oh, now you know that somebody is supposed to open door. You will tell me whose door. First of all, it's muscle. Up again. Papa said I should give you this.
Ah, I knew it. That lady here. Chai. Food. She got me food there. See how rich man says that. Smell it. That's why you're not looking happy. What is it?
Well, after the whole outing, when I drove back, I came out and gave her the key, and then we...
Thank you. So, did you like the place?
It's cool.
Yeah. One of my favorite lunch.
Yeah, it's cool.
I like you.
Hey! Bro, she likes you? Are you serious? Hey! That's good news. You see what being fine and having a younger sister that is a fashionista causes. That can dress you up to be anything. But I don't look happy. What is it?
For favor, have you seen her? And have you seen me?
Yes. What happened to the woman?
I'm an Okpasela, a school dropout.
Is it my fault? It's not my fault. I mean, when I was growing up, I met you like this. And so she doesn't even care about this. That's why she will come to you and tell you, oh, I like you. That's why she will come to you and tell you.
It's like you forget that I am a man. I'm the one that's supposed to do the providing, the buying. How am I supposed to provide for someone that just the hair, can buy everything that I own?
She doesn't seem to care. She doesn't want someone who can provide for her and buy hair for her. No. That's what I'm trying to say. If she had wanted that kind of person, she wouldn't have come for an Obasela like you that cannot even see good slippers and buy. And one thing I like about her is she likes you for who you are. Maybe you don't know. All these girls, they are just going after men with money, car, money, house. And the worst part is they don't love them. All they like is that their money and that their Jeep and Benz that they are carrying up and down. But she chose a fine, sensible, handsome, tall man that has a bright future, a hard-working man. Wait, what did you tell her when she told you?
You're joking.
No. I like you, mad girl. What? Say something.
I don't know what to say.
Well, say what's on your mind.
You're way out of my league.
Do you like me?
Like
Madhuka, do you like me?
I don't.
Hey! 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 What did you say to her? Hey, God. What kind of brother is this? Why would you give me this kind? What did it? Oh! Why would you say that kind of thing to her? Apart from the fact that you're fine and you are sensible and you're hardworking, sometimes your signal used to go off. Used to have comma. What in the name of this thing is that? It's like you don't have mass in your brain. Because why? Why would you tell her that you don't like her?
Because I don't.
Hey! Hey! Brother, what don't you like now in that woman? Tell me. She's beautiful. She's everything a man would ever ask for. She's kind. Why don't you like her? This is just like a barrel pusher rejecting the daughter of a president. Bro.
Are you calling me a barrel pusher?
Are you a barrel pusher? I'm not calling you a barrel pusher. If you want to believe that you're a barrel pusher, it's your business. But at least you're an ambassador. And she's a rich woman. I don't like this thing you did though. I don't like this thing you did. But tell me, bro. Do you really not like this lady? Think very well. Hey!
I'm going out. I'll walk.
Such bad taste in women.
I heard that.
I said this for you to hear it.
Again.
You have bad taste in slippers, in clothing, still in a human being. Still in women. Eh? What does this woman not have now? Money, okay. She has it. Okay, let's say he's not after the money. Beauty. Mwah. Black beauty. Height. Mwah. I bet he doesn't like tall women. It's my brother is disappointing me. He's disappointing me. He's disappointing me.
though. Happy. I can't believe this guy turned you down. I mean, who does he think he is?
Easy, Dana.
You say me easy. Easy how? Easy why? He hurt my best friend. You told me to take it easy on him. I won't do that now.
Well, we all have what we want. Maybe I'm not just his type.
What did you say?
You can't force me on him.
Maybe you're not what? Which type? Babe, you are everybody's type. Happy, you are everybody's type. All you need to do is just step outside and guys will be hovering over you.
Well, thank you.
Don't mind him, baby girl. Don't mind him. My beautiful Happy. My lovely Happy. All you need to do is go out there. You see guys who you like. And they'll take you. You get me? All right?
Well, sadly enough, those guys are not Maduka.
I beg you, don't make that guy feel very important. He's not important. I beg you. I beg you, give him too much.
I wish I could actually say he's not important, but he is, because he's the reason I'm sad now, so...
I beg, don't be sad, huh? You'll be fine. There are plenty of other guys out there, people. You'll be fine.
Fine. I'm fine, I got this.
Sure.
The joy is that there'll be no more buying this house.
Well, if I tell you I didn't expect it, then I'm lying. I expected it. You just finally dropped the line.
If I don't bring it up, who will?
No more, but actually.
Who will do? Happy, let me ask you a question. So, you said I eating up, become a man. Happy man. Happy darling. The Okpa eater.
You know I hate you, right?
I love you, darling. I love you so much.
Okay, give me Okpa 1,000.
Oga, wetin dey find for that side now?
1,000.
Abeg, sharp.
Make I cut am.
Cut am. Oga, abeg, sharp now. I dey go somewhere, abeg.
Sorry.
Who is this place?
How are you?
Fine. Who am I talking to?
Did you delete my number? It's Maduka.
Oh. Maduka, how are you?
I'm fine. You deleted my number.
I mean, what were you expecting? I shot my shot and you turned it down, so I had to move on.
Look, I lied. Alright, I lied. The truth is, I don't hate you. I've been in love with you since the first day I saw you. I've liked you, but I just didn't want to.
Well, I'm so happy that you're opening up and, saying how you actually feel or felt about me, but I'm really sorry, Maduka. It's all in the past now. I've moved on. Yeah. Have a nice life. Bye.
What did she say?
How long have you been there?
What did Auntie Alpha say?
She has moved on.
She's moved on. Guess what? I guess not. You're down here. You're still there. You're still at one point. The lady has. You're still there. See where you are now, look. If somebody comes in here now and sees me saying, like, this girl is too rude, talks unnecessarily. But it's when I advise you, I know I'm a child, but I advise you, at least you think about it. She has moved on. There you are.
It's fine. Atago.
It's not fine anything. Think about your life. Just keep thinking.
Papa, I wasn't expecting to see you here.
I know.
Yesterday you said...
Were you serious about what you said on the phone yesterday?
I really do like you.
Me too.
So,
So you're not going to ask me out?
right here. Will you be my girlfriend?
Well, I need time to think about it. Just give me time to think. I want to take my time.
Just take as much time as you need.
Sure.
So, this is where I stay.
Nice place. It's really cool here.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, hold on.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I like here.
You don't have to lie to me.
Well, whatever I say, I'm not lying. All right, fine. I think the only issue we have here is the bed size because it's really small. You know, sometimes I will have to spend the night here, and I think you, me, and Favor, this is really small.
Well, I'm sure we'll figure something out.
Yeah, maybe you sleep on the floor while we sleep on the bed.
Sounds like a plan already. Hey.
Good afternoon, Mother. Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
How was school today?
School was fine. Thank you.
Why are you smiling?
Oh, you think I'll have to just leave now and wait outside since I
Oh, no. You don't have to. I was about to leave, actually.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Babe?
Yes.
I'll call you when I get home.
All right, babe.
All right.
All right. Yeah, I'll see her off, okay?
Babe, come.
What is that?
Come.
What?
When did that one start? There's a communication going on between the both of you.
That is for adults to know, not
But
you.
the adults are not baby. Why are you calling her baby? If it's me now, you will not tell me to call your baby. Woman, I call you baby now, you have shrink.
No, what you doing?
Ha! Bro, guess what?
What is it?
He's mailing 3.
Ah.
3 pieces and we're done for the day.
We have sold very well.
Yes, now see plenty money now.
And that's good. Even me too, I still have some money for it. So.
We'll calculate. It's like today we made plenty money.
Yeah, we did.
More than yesterday, sir.
God is good.
Yes, all the time.
Yes.
Oh, but let's do and go.
Even if we don't sell it, we can eat it.
Auntie Hampa. Are you guys welcome? No, it's remaining 3. But you can come and sit down now.
You can come, sir.
Come and sit down.
Don't you guys be thinking already?
No, but I assure you that very soon somebody will. Oba, let me do fast. Let me hurry them so that they.
Yeah.
Oba,
Let's just make the last profit. If you just wait maybe like that.
But you know what, eh?
I mean,
if
we sold everything. If we wait small,
If
nobody
we
sells,
wait small, we just go.
We've already made profit.
Somebody buy your fresh Oba. It's to finish very soon. Come and rush the Oba. Oh, it's very sweet.
It's still hot. Let them know it's still hot.
Yes, I have.
What is that?
Eh?
This one is 500. How much do you want? I need to 500.
We don't have
500. 500. I need 2,000. We only have 3. That's 1,500, right?
Trade one.
Only 1,500.
You don't have to do that thing. So give them change.
Did you want us to cut it?
Give them change. No, take money from here. Take money and give
500.
them 500. We have plenty money. Calculate. There should be 500.
Yeah.
500.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Let me teach you.
Hi, so and we're done.
So it's time to go then.
Yes, let's go. I have you.
I'll carry your bag.
I don't want you to carry this help on my bag. Oh, I don't want you to be carrying this kind of things. Are you going to stay in your...
No, this one will chain it here. We'll pack it. Well done. Favor, just bring it when you're done. Are you sure you don't want me to help you? Let me carry it.
Mama, we are straight going now. Take care of yourself, eh? Good market.
We dey sell am with love, pattern our shop, but hopeful like God. About where they want, we dey sell am with love, pattern our shop, but hopeful like God. About the hot for pot, no dough, no shake, na the real we got. Come chop up and you go smile. This up I go hold you well for a while. Up at the hot for pot, no dough, no shake, now the real we got. Come chop up and you go smile. This up I go hold you well for a while.
This food is really nice.
I made the food.
She wishes. I made it.
Can just let me have the place.
When you can cook, you take the glory.
I don't like it.
Bad
like
table
you.
manners, eating and talking.
Sorry.
Up again.
Are you free tomorrow? I want you to carry me with your cat to my school.
Oh, so in your mind now, she doesn't have anything she'll do. She'll just come carry you to school. Up again. She'll just carry you. Bake.
Well, on the contrary, I do not have something to do. I'll take her.
Thank you. So, in order for all my school to see that I am inside car, we'll come late to school. Normally, we used to come by 7:15, 7:30, but I'll go by 7:50. Or even 8 o'clock. I don't even mind if they flog me. I'll go
Don't
by
indulge
7,
this girl.
8
She
o'clock.
just wants to go and
So
raise
that
shoulder.
if I come down from the car, everybody will be looking at me. I'll walk into the class. My classmates will start asking me questions.
And then after that,
Maybe
you
should
use
roll the
leg.
carpet for you to walk.
Do you have carpet?
I do.
Bring it. Tomorrow is
so
carpet
funny.
day.
I'll take you, okay?
He doesn't know how what it feels.
Oh my
I love you, Papa.
You know I love you so much, girl.
You're welcome.
That reminds me. There's this restaurant that I normally go to. It's really beautiful there. You know, the food, the environment is cool. I don't know if you want to come there with me.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Tomorrow?
Tomorrow is cool.
Right, fine. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Wanna walk me to the car?
Yes, hug first.
I'll miss you.
Yeah, me too.
To the car.
Yes. The food was nice.
Yeah. You like it?
Yes, I do. This place is really lovely.
Yeah, a friend of mine brought me here when I first got back into the country. And since then, I've been coming here. This is my favorite place.
Oh, no, it's fine. It's a
really
very
cool.
beautiful place.
Yeah.
Look at the flower
background and the environment.
If not for you, I wouldn't have come here in my life.
Ah, it's beautiful.
Yes, it's fine.
One more?
More wine.
More wine.
Let me finish this one first because it's not.
Masa.
Here's your bill.
And give it to me. I think you made a mistake.
That's the bill, sir.
No, because I'm seeing 150,000 there.
That is it, sir.
That cannot be it because what did we eat? We just ate one plate, then drink. That's all.
Babe, I think she's correct.
She's not correct. Please.
Hey, could you get the POS machine?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
What did we eat? Are you sure? Because that's outrageous. And you're saying, no, we can't have this. They made a mistake.
The code is 420.
But no, we shouldn't pay.
It's enough.
I'm not even full. I'm not full. Is that what they used to do here?
Give it to me.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These people are thieves, so.
It's fine.
Just.
Do you want more food?
No, never.
Oh, bro. Welcome. How did you go now?
See packaging. What is it? Best East Classic Lounge. Why did you go to this today? Seafood. Bro, thank you. Thank you. What is it? Why do you look like this? Bro, now stop acting like you're not hearing me. What is it? What happened there between you and Tiago? Bro. Bro. Talk to me now. Bro, I'm talking to you. See, bro, if you don't answer me, I might just choke you and I'll just... So why are you hungry? Is it because of me?
It took me time to adjust.
What?
Yes. And after all the struggle of everything, so everything was now weird to me. When I entered the club, everything
But
was
it worked, right?
it worked at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Of course.
Right, babe? Babe?
Did she like it?
Yeah.
Oh, he liked it.
You didn't tell me this one.
It's fine. So, guys, there's this very big concert that's about to happen in town. In fact, all the A-list artists are going to be there. I got us ticket.
By us, you mean me too?
Of course, you too.
Me?
Oh,
thank you so
I know.
Oh my god, bro.
Yep.
Please, can I see the ticket?
Sure, it's fine. You can see.
Okay.
Wow.
I got VIP tickets actually.
VIP.
So we're gonna be in the front.
How much am I seeing? This is 200,000 naira. Wait, so with these 3 tickets, that's like 600,000 naira.
We are going to have fun, okay?
Bro! Yeah. Bro, we're going for a concert. If you see the people in this concert, even your favorite artists are gonna be there.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not going.
What? Babe. No. It's going to be fun. Me, you, and Favor. I mean, it's great.
I'll be busy.
So we're just gonna let me and Favor go just by ourselves without...
So, thank you for coming to see me.
Why did you turn down my ticket?
Because I'll be busy.
Marika, I've been meaning to ask you this. What's going on? What's wrong? You've been acting really weird since our last date.
Have I?
Look, if I wronged you, you can tell me. I will apologize to you and this will all be gone.
Look, I didn't notice that I've been acting weird, though. But everything is fine. You don't need to apologize. Everything's okay.
I know you. I can tell that something is wrong. What is it?
Nothing is wrong. I'm okay.
All right, so why didn't you take the ticket?
Because I told you I'll be busy.
When? What date?
I don't know.
What's the date of the concert?
I don't know.
You don't even know, so how do you know you're going to be busy?
Because I know I'll be busy like these days for the rest of the week, next week, 2 weeks from now. I know I'll be busy.
All right, fine. I should have asked you before getting the ticket. It's my fault.
Yeah, but it's fine.
So, we're good, yeah?
Yeah, we're good.
I'll see you.
All right.
I love you.
Love you too.
Why did you lie?
Who said I lied?
You and I know that you're never busy. The only thing you have to do in this whole life is sell Opa. And after the Opa, you just sit at home and do nothing.
So because you're my sister now, you feel like you know me. I said I am busy, and busy I am.
Stop it. Stop what you're doing. Aren't we siblings anymore? I mean, we used to share secrets with each other. Why are you hiding this from me? Talk to me. What's the problem? Why are you acting weird with Auntie Hapa? Is there any problem?
Look, it's just embarrassing.
What is embarrassing?
Do you know what it feels like? Dating someone you can't do anything for. We went out the other time on a date, and I couldn't even pay for the food that we ate. She was the one that paid. And then she goes around and she buys 3 tickets. One, 200,000 naira. 200,000 times 3, that's how much? 600,000 naira. Eh? How would you expect me to be comfortable knowing that I'm dating somebody and I cannot even do anything for her?
This lady is not even complaining.
She does not need to complain. I am the man. I should be the one taking care of her and not the other way around.
You know this is your ego speaking, right?
This is not an ego thing. It's not. I just want to be able to do things for my girl. I just want to be the one spending, you know, it's...
Come on. Look, bro. Let me tell you. You are trying your best. I'm telling you. The fact that you're not the one spending in the relationship doesn't mean you're less of a man or anything. I know, I understand how you feel. It's normal for a man. I mean, people were on pride 5 and 6, but it's okay if she doesn't spend it sometimes.
Just makes me feel like a failure.
You're not a failure. You're an Oba seller. That doesn't make you a failure, bro. No, understand what I mean. I don't mean you're not a failure, bro. You're working hard for yourself and you're making money. Okay? Okay?
What's going on with you and Mr. Handsome?
I don't know. I just feel this distance between us.
Distance? I mean, did something happen?
Well, it all started when we, went out to this restaurant to have lunch together, and then, when the bill came, I feel like it was, expensive for him, so I had to give him my card so he could pay. He acted funny, more like the food was too expensive, and so I just wanted to cover up, and and then when we left there, he started acting weird. Then something happened again. I got tickets for myself, him, and his baby sister, so we could go for a concert, and then he just said he wasn't going because he's going to be busy on that day. And the funny thing is, he didn't even know when the concert is going to, take place. And then he was just saying, I'm going to be busy. I'm like, you don't even know when. And you're telling me, and he said he was going to be busy, that he won't be able to make it to the concert. I was like, you don't even know the date. So how are you sure that you're going to be busy on that day? And I know for sure that he's not going to be busy. He's just trying to, run away from it.
Wait, do you think he's intimidated by you?
Oh, no. Well, I mean, why would he be?
You asked that. I mean, it's happy. You are rich, and he isn't.
But I don't put out such vibes. I don't give such vibes, so...
Listen, Happy. Men love to provide for women they love. That's what they do. It's like their responsibility. And when they're unable to, do that, I can make them feel bad, act funny. And that could be why he's, acting all weird.
Wait. Do you think that's why he's acting funny? That's why he's acting weird towards me?
Yes.
Tana, I have never dated someone. I've never dated someone like.
An Opasela.
I wasn't going to say that. You took it out of my mouth, but yes, that's the truth. I haven't dated someone that sells Opa or someone that is really like that before. So it's really hard for me to blend in and understand him. I've really been trying.
Happy. You know what? I think what you need to do is you need to come down to his level. Get into his world. Belong in his world. I think that would solve this issue.
Does that mean I have to start selling up wow?
No. Get closer. Get to know him better. And then, cut down on your expensive dates, concerts.
But I'm just trying to give him the best.
Sure, but, let's pause that for now. And, do away with those. And do his thing. Do his world.
So by doing his things, I have to go to cheap restaurants. I have to buy cheap food. I'm supposed to go to cheap concerts.
Yes, that's what you need to do. But don't call it cheap. I mean, that's the point of the problem. We don't call it cheap. I mean, do that and you have your man. You're welcome.
Hey, Favor.
Auntie Abba.
How are you, Favor?
I'm fine, ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hey, my brother is not around you.
He just went out, but he will soon be back. I didn't come to see him. I came to see you. Yes.
Okay, what happened?
So I want us to strike a deal, but you have to promise me you're gonna keep it a secret.
Okay.
Deal?
Yeah, deal.
I want to know what your brother likes, what he likes doing, places he likes going to, how he spends his time.
I see you there. I know what you're trying to do.
What's that?
Well, this conversation, we're going to have to sit down and talk about it because in as much as my brother is to form stuntman, he likes a lot of things. So
Sure, I have all the time in the world.
okay,
let's go inside.
I wanted to go and buy biscuits.
Let's go. I don't want you to see me here.
Oh, sorry.
Did you say we are going?
Don't worry, we'll soon be there.
That's what you've been saying since. See how far we've walked.
Well, just relax, we'll soon be there. All right, ta-da! Here.
Here.
Yes.
Wait, babe, you know this place?
Yeah, a friend of mine brought me here some time ago when we came to serve, and their food is really good.
Babe,
You know here?
Yes! See, I swear to God, this place sells the best food in town.
Wait, you've been here before?
Babe, this is my favorite place.
Jesus,
This is where I eat the most. As in, this is the only place I come to eat. Wait,
Oh
you
my
know?
God, you come here to eat?
Yes!
Jesus Christ, this is a coincidence.
Is it a coincidence?
I'm shocked. Let's go inside. Hi! The food tastes really good.
Oh, no.
Okay,
I swear. This is what you call food. Just 10K for everything. This is food. No.
I like it.
no,
Locally made,
no.
but then very delicious.
You know they use like firewood, good firewood to cook it. You can taste the natural firewood
smell
flavor.
from-
Yes. That's
Yeah.
like, this woman.
She's good.
No,
So should we go now?
Yes.
Let's get corn and pear.
So nice.
Let's leave.
Where do you want to go to now?
Should we get corn and pear the other way? What are you doing?
Oh, I am filling this, my information. I want to get a loan.
A loan?
Yes. Okay, the day we went out, something came to my mind.
Okay.
Yes, so I figured I should expand my business. I should get a shop and start a restaurant business. That way, I'm selling things other than okpa. I'll sell maybe rice, sell beans. I could even add abacha.
Oh wow, that's
Yes.
beautiful.
Yeah.
I think I'm in support of that.
Thank you.
Can I see? Here. Wait. Maduka, this is 5 million naira.
Yeah, that's what I need.
40% interest rate. No, this is too much.
Is it?
Yeah, it's too much. I think it's too much.
That's the best I could get.
No, there are cheaper places where you could get loan better than this.
The ones with lower interest rates, I couldn't access them. So this one I can access, so I've used them.
Okay, what if I call my parents to send money? I could give it to you, you know?
No, thank you, don't worry.
No, I think it's better than this. It's a better idea.
Papa,
You don't have to pay
I
me.
can't take your money. I don't want.
No, you don't have to pay me back.
Trust me, I don't need it.
All right, fine. Let's make it a loan. You could pay me whenever you want
I
to.
said I am good.
Okay, what if you don't have
I
to?
am good.
No, you don't have to pay interest.
But I'm
It's-
good. Don't worry.
It's 0% interest.
It's good.
You can just pay whenever you
Papa, I don't need it. Don't worry. I'll be fine. I'll
No,
pay them.
Maduka, this is too much. Look, I'm looking at the length at which you're going to use to pay back this money, and it's too much.
Papa, I will pay it. I don't need your money. Yeah.
Oh, hi. Hi, Favor. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
All right, I was about leaving. Maduka, I'll see you.
All right.
I'll see you. Just think about what I said, okay? We're good.
How
Why don't you want to collect the money?
I don't want to talk about it.
I've heard what you people said.
I said I don't want to talk about it.
You can collect it as a loan now. She said you can collect it as a loan and pay in bits. Eh? Small interest is more than 40%. How are you going to pay it back?
I said I don't want to talk about it.
Bro, now use your brain.
Did you hear me?
It's your ego that is doing this thing to you. It's not that you don't want to collect the money. You need this money for free itself. It's your ego. Every time you acting like a man. A man that doesn't have money is barely a man. Oh.
Hey, would you shut up? I said I don't want her money. Is it by force?
Which one is you don't want her money? What is this thing that you're taking from these loan people? Eh? Every time you be acting like you want the whole world. You don't have shit. You don't have.
You're just too small to understand. You're a small child.
Happy? You don't look fine. What is it?
Me?
Yeah.
No, nothing. I'm just thinking about
You don't look fine. Spill it.
Alright, so today I saw Marika filling a form, demanding for a loan. Do you want to know what the rate is? Interest rate.
What's the interest rate?
40%.
Oh my God.
I mean, this is the same guy I offered money to. This is the same guy I was willing to give money to for free. I told him if you need help, I could talk to my parents. They will give me money and I'll give it to you. He said no. And then he goes behind my back and is asking for a loan with an interest of 40%. That's too much.
Outrageous.
Alright, I get it if he doesn't want me to help him or something. I even offered to give him a loan with interest of 0%. I mean, it's still a loan. Maybe he doesn't feel comfortable taking things from me for free. That's understandable. But then, if you want a loan, I could give you a loan and you're going behind my back to ask for a loan of 40%. Doesn't make any sense.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
For real?
Oh, but I think, just still talk to him again.
What else should I tell him? You know Maduka is very stubborn. And if he takes that loan, I'm going to be very angry with him. Because it doesn't make sense to me.
It's bad.
Hey, 200,000. Just the right amount for me to get this loan. I can't wait to get that loan, I swear. Hold that loan. This straight bam business. God, thank you. Deposit this. Get the loan. It's good. I'm busted. Lie down! Lie down! I said lie down! No, he has to. He has the money. He has the money. Money. He has the money. Money.
Am I joking with you?
We don't have any money. We don't have any
Where is that money?
money.
Do I look like I'm joking? Do I look like I'm joking? Where's the money?
Okay.
Where's the money?
There's no money.
I know there's a money. I know there's money here. Where's the money? Where's the money? Are you blowing your head? Where is the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? Give me the money. Hey! 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 Hey!
Oh, you have to pay me the money. Pay me the money. Hey! You know this man, when I was outside, if you see the way he pushed me.
Hey! Mango!
All of my savings. Every single thing I have ever made in my life was in that cellophane. Every single dime I have ever made in my life was there. Everything was there. Why? Who would do this to me? Why? How? How do I come back from this? How? What did I do? How did... Don't want...
Favor! 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 Favor, wait, stop! Favor! What are you doing? You have to stop this. What are you doing?
It's all my fault.
No. Oh, no. It is not your fault, okay?
It's my fault. If I hadn't come outside that night, that Amjoba wouldn't have known someone was in the house. He wouldn't have come in.
Stop saying this. You had no idea the armed robbers were going to come to the house. You only went out to ease yourself. So it is not your fault, all right? Now, come inside with me.
No, please. I want to beg you for one thing.
What's
Help
that?
my brother. That money that that person took is the only money he has to do his business.
Just come
Please.
inside. Just come
No, just please.
Don't.
Help
What are
my
you doing?
brother,
Are you kneeling
please.
down? No. Okay, it's fine. I'm going to help your brother. Just wake up.
Please.
I will help him. But you have to stop crying, okay? It's fine.
So much.
It's fine. Sorry, don't cry. Come on, let's go inside. It's fine. I have something for you.
What is it?
So I spoke to my parents about, getting some money from them, and they were able to make available 5 million naira.
How come?
It's a loan, okay? You can pay whenever you have it back.
We already discussed this. I told you I can't take anything from you. I can't.
All right, so I should fold my arms and watch you suffer? Madika, for goodness sakes. You don't even have what it takes. You don't have it. And I'm giving you for free. Okay, you're going to pay back.
I'll figure something out.
For once, can you just stop being an African man and just take this money from me? Take it.
I can't.
Why not?
I just can't.
Yes. Are you serious?
Look, I'll figure something out, okay?
You know, I was surprised when I got a call from you.
I need your help.
My help? What's up?
I need a loan.
Maduka, don't do that. I don't give loan.
I promise I'll pay you as soon as I can.
Guy, it's not about you paying me back, okay? I don't do that, Maduka. See what I believe. In this life, instead of me giving you fish to be eaten little by little, I'd rather show you how I'll teach you how to fish. Huh?
Cletus, please now.
Maduka, no. I say I don't give out loan. I don't do that, guy. Come on. Maduka, join me. Join me in this, my business. Just one hit. You get enough money that will change your life entirely. That will be better than the loan you're asking me to give you. Huh?
Cletus. Huh? Okay, well, what's the job? What do you do?
It's fine. I will tell you when you make up your mind. Are we good?
I don't know.
I told you he would call, didn't I?
You sure did, boss. But boss, why are you so interested in him?
The guy is smart. Yes. He's so smart. With his kind of brain, do you have any idea what that would do for our business? Listen, basically be the best drug dealers in this town. We'll be unstoppable. Nobody can stop us. So we need his brain in this business, most especially now that the authority is on our neck. All right?
Yes, boss.
Yeah, so with him coming in, he will figure out ways for him to just make us to stop running. I hate hiding.
But boss, what if he finds out that you're behind the stolen money?
I think we should worry about that in the future. Moreover, I'm not the one that should be worried, it's you. You're the one that took the money. Right?
Yes, boss.
So, we are good. Let's bring him in.
Oh, okay, boss. Your wish is my command, boss.
That's good. Let's go. Let's go.
Bro, why did you reject the money? She said she gave you 5 million naira check, and you said no to it.
Oh, you can take it if you want it.
Bro, why are you so stubborn? How can a person be poor, yet so proud? I don't get it. Someone's giving you money that you don't have. So for you to take, you're rejecting it.
You know all this is your fault. Yes, it's your fault my money is gone. If you hadn't been so callous to leave this place that night and brought those criminals into the house, my money would have been here. And then you stand here and have the guts to tell me that I'm poor. Hey. Look, I'm sorry about what happened earlier. Favor. Come on now, it's me. I've already said I'm sorry. It's me, the Okpa man. I'm sorry.
I already knew that it was my fault. Everything was my fault. That's why I went to Auntie Abba and I pleaded with her to help.
I want to tell you something. Mom was from a wealthy background. Dad was the poor one. Because of how wealthy Mom's family were, she helped set Dad up. They fell in love and they got married. But after they got married, Mom changed. She started throwing everything she ever did for Dad in his face. She would tell Dad how he's nothing, how he's nothing without her, how he's a useless, empty barrel without her. You know, all that. And guess what? That finally drove Dad to his death. You were just 5 then.
Mom is still alive? I thought you said they both died.
I lied. Look, the point is, I witnessed it.
I saw how everything made Dad almost go useless. And it drove him to his early death. That is why I don't want to take anything from Harper. I know she's innocent now, but who knows the future? I just want to build myself so that no woman would do to me what Mom did to Dad.
And I will never do that to you.
Oh, good afternoon, Ma. I guess I'll just...
The door was open.
I guess you heard everything.
Sorry about your parents.
It's fine. It wasn't your fault.
So, this explains why you've refused to let me help you.
My mom was the worst.
I'm not your mom. I will never be like her. So, what do you intend to do now? How do you want to go about this?
I don't know. But I guess we'll figure it out.
Yep. Hey, I'm here, okay? Whenever you need help, however you need help, as long as I can help, I'm just a call away.
Yeah.
Got you. I love you, Madhuka.
I love you, Papa.
Here is my queen. So, did you miss me?
What are you doing here, Cletus?
Oh, a friend of mine moved into these apartments. I came to see him and decided to wait for you. So, what's up? Babe, come on.
I'm fine.
Wait, hey. I know you miss me because it's been long. I just decided to give you some time. I've said they say makes the heart to grow fonder more and more.
Cletus, I have a man.
What?
I have a boyfriend. And he has anger and jealousy issues. You have to stop coming here. I don't want to be in trouble, okay?
Hey, a boyfriend? Who dare ask you out in this town, knowing fully well that I have my eyes on you?
A man that I love, that is not you.
Can be possible.
Excuse
me.
me.
Babe, can you just...
Can you move? What is wrong with you? Get out!
Hey.
Security!
Hey, hush, calm down.
Get out! Silly. Wait, what? Why the sudden change of mind?
You. I mean, I've come to accept that you're not my mother.
Hmm.
But it's going to be a loan, and I'll have to pay it back. Okay?
It's fine. I'll put it together before I come to see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too, Madhuka. Let's go.
All right. Thank you.
She'll be thanking you for accepting it.
Have you made up your mind? And?
I can't do it.
All right. No
Thanks
problem.
for your understanding.
That's
I'll
fine.
take my leave now.
Wait. What is going on between you and Harper?
Harper. You know Harper?
Yes. What is going on between you two?
She's my girlfriend.
You have to break up with her.
I don't understand.
Hey, listen. I love that girl. I have loved her a very long time now. So I am telling you to break up with her. I mean, I'm a better man to be with that girl and nobody else. Let me tell you. Look at yourself and look at me. I'm in a better position to take good care of that girl. And that's why I'm telling you to break up with her.
Does she know how you feel about her?
Does it matter?
Yeah, it does. I mean, I love her, and I'm sure she loves me as well. So it doesn't make any sense that you just come and tell me, break up with your girlfriend like that. So I won't do it.
Listen, Maduka, the only reason I'm having this conversation with you like this is because of old time's sake. If it will be someone else, I don't think we'll be sitting here having this conversation like this. Break up with Harper. That's all you have to do.
I won't.
Oh, you won't?
Yes.
It's fine. But let me tell you something. Stay away from her.
Unless Harper breaks up with me. You can't threaten me, okay? And I'm out of here.
It's all right. We shall see. Stupid boy.
Wait. Are you seriously saying that's what he said to you? Is that guy crazy or what? I don't get it.
You know, I used to think that guy was okay, but obviously he's not.
He's not. Because how can you go about asking people to break up with their girlfriends only because you like him? I mean, you like her. That guy is the Lulu. He needs a solution. He needs help.
I've seen it.
But will you tell Auntie Harper about it?
I don't think this is something I want to disturb her about. We've already agreed the guy is the Lulu.
Madness.
Oh, let's just leave out of it.
This thing is still sounding weird to me. Like, I've never even heard of it before. Like, somebody will just approach you and say, break up with your girlfriend. Because I'm in love with her. Hey! I used to think he's senseless and irresponsible, but I just confirmed it.
Bam.
I thought before. But now I know.
The guy is mad. Seriously mad.
Bro, I have everything now.
Everything is fine.
I mean the planned preparation for the restaurant.
I said everything is fine now. Harper and I will go check some locations tomorrow for the restaurant.
That lady has been of great help since she came into our lives.
You can
it's
say
like
that.
she's got sense.
Yes, you can say it again.
I'm just happy things are looking good again.
Me too.
It's fine. I'll reduce calling you up, Mama.
Look at this one.
Since you're going to own a big restaurant now, you have to be... And don't go and be behaving anyhow. It's the way you behave, I'll go back to Mama.
So this one.
You know.
Okpa raised you. Remember that.
Okpa did not raise me.
Born and raised by Okpa.
Go for big party. You are the one that has lived all his life for Okpa.
You literally ate Okpa for 10 to 15 years. Straight, no other meal.
Please, don't even remind... stop talking. It's okay. It's okay. Sha, are you hungry?
You want to give me Okpa?
No, I need rice. I tried.
You know you cannot cook, first of all. You made rice.
I tried. It's not jollof rice, so I just boiled rice with the stew. That remaining stew.
Okay, go and bring it. The stew I made?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
We don't even always have to say it.
No,
we know you made
let's just put it out there.
Bravo.
Put it out there. You cannot cook. This husband that will marry you, and God will save that guy.
Don't even talk to me about that one.
This location is really good. Business is booming here.
Thank you so much for everything. Papa, I love you.
You know I love you so much, Ka. And that's enough. We need to go.
Hello? What's going on? Where are you? Hello? Cletus? Hello? Hello? Should I go? Just go.
Isn't my brother supposed to be here by now?
He is. I mean, he's supposed to open his shop in a few hours and he's still not here.
Is it?
Let me try to call him. This is so unlike him. Huh? He normally takes my calls.
His line going?
It's not going through. People at the shop waiting for him and he's still not here.
Oh, that my brother, sometimes he can be acting somehow. He just can be acting. So maybe he has seen someone now. He wants to help or something.
At least you should call me or take my calls.
Let's just go inside. I'm sure he'll be back any moment from now. This is shop opening day and he's excited about it. So he will come back. He will come back. It's just that my brother, eh? Sometimes he doesn't take things serious.
You're right. Let's go inside. At least you should tell me that his phone was
Don't worry.
low.
He will call. I should not be sees the call now. He will call back. He will call back.
Just let me know that he's coming. It's really getting late.
Cletus. Cletus.
I am Officer Paul of the State Police Command, and this is my colleague, Officer Peter. You are under arrest.
No, officer, eh?
You are under arrest for murder.
No, I just came inside and I saw her there. It's not me. Somebody called me. I came here.
You
so
have the right to remain silent.
Back.
Anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, move him.
Look, I didn't do this. Oga, listen to me.
Can you move?
Oga, I say move.
Move to where? I just came in. You don't understand.
When we get to our station, you explain.
Can you move?
Can I explain? Wait.
You explain better at
Wait,
office.
let's check. See, Cletus called
Oga,
me.
move.
Wait, I didn't do anything. Move. You don't get. Officer, wait, hold on. Wait now, please. Okay, wait. I think.
He's not picking. He's still not going through. I don't know, his line is not going through. This is almost 4 o'clock. He should be here.
Wait. Are you sure something hasn't happened to my brother?
No.
Then he should be here. I mean, this is almost time for the shop opening and the owner of the shop is not even here. Eh? Where did he go now?
I don't know. I've tried his line several times. It's switched off. Just hold on.
Abba, what if something has happened to my brother? What if somebody has kidnapped him because he's opening his shop? Maybe because of his blessings and his success.
Wait, just don't say that, okay?
Okay.
Let's just wait a little longer. If we don't hear from him, we both are going to go to the police station and make a report. All right?
Okay.
But I'm very sure he's fine.
Okay.
He's going to be fine.
I don't want anything to happen to my brother. Oh.
Come back to us.
Okay. Okay. How can they say that my brother killed somebody? How is that possible? My brother that I know cannot even walk a fly.
I know.
My brother that sometimes if he sees rats, he will run.
I know.
They said he killed human being.
I know he didn't do it. He can't even do it. I know he's innocent.
So what if we didn't go to the police station now to make this report? That's how we will not know that my brother is inside there. That's how they will hold my only brother. The only family I have remaining in this world.
It's fine, look, it's fine, okay? I will make sure I employ the best lawyers in the country and they will get him out as soon as possible, okay? He's not going to stay there for long. He doesn't belong there. Come here. We're going to get him out, okay?
Hey, people.
What are you doing here?
Who on earth would have thought that our hottest chick in town is dating a murderer?
What did you just say?
Your brother is a murderer, of course.
Stop calling my brother that! He's not a murderer!
That's exactly what he is. He is a murderer.
Look, if you call my brother that one more time...
Hey. Careful with this one, no. Before she does something very nasty to you. Because it seems that murders runs in their family jail.
Mama, please just let go of me! Let go of me!
Can you stop it already?
Congratulations.
He's not a murderer.
He is a murderer.
I said, stop. Stop.
Please just leave. Go!
Rubbish. Who last?
Get out.
What's going on? Why are you crying? Oh my God, come.
My brother.
Stop. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, Maduka will be out, okay? Sorry. Sorry, it's fine. Stop. I know you can't be crying. Stop. Maduka is going to be fine, alright? You just cannot... Just stop stressing yourself. I'm with you in this, eh? I promise you it's going to be fine. Stop crying. You want to go back to sleep? Just go back to sleep. Okay, give me this. Sorry. Use this. Sorry. Stop crying. Oh my God, stop. It's fine. Sorry.
What did you see? Wait. What did you see?
Everything went well. I was able to talk to the lawyer, and he confirmed that he had a chat with Maduka, and he said what happened was that on that day when he was about to go out, he got a call from Cletus.
Cletus?
Claiming that he wasn't feeling well, he was sick and needed help. And so he sent an address to Maduka, for him to come see him. And so he went to the supposed address that Cletus sent to him, and then when he got there, he found that the lady's body was lying there before he could, raise an alarm.
What?
The police came in and arrested him.
That crazy man! So he did that to my brother?
We're thinking that he killed the lady and framed your brother.
What is really confusing is, I don't understand why Cletus want to do this. Like, why?
Because he likes you.
No, you don't know that.
I do. A few days ago, before this whole thing happened, he approached my brother and threatened to deal with him if he doesn't break up with you because he's in love with you.
He did what? And why didn't you tell me? At least you...
We didn't think
it
would be a big deal now. We thought it was just an empty threat to scare my brother.
Look guys. We were thinking that he, killed the lady and framed your brother. Hey! The lawyer said we need evidence. Hard evidence. Evidence that points to Cletus as the murderer. That's what we need. Not this.
Hey.
Don't worry, I'll get him out, okay?
Okay. I trust you, Mom.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. So, how many days did they say he will stay there? Okay, we need to bring evidence first.
I'm going back tomorrow, okay?
Everything's fine, okay? Okay. Relax. Right? Okay, everything will be fine. It's okay. Okay.
Mr. Cletus, why are you doing this? What do you stand to gain by doing all of this?
I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, hold on. I thought you invited me here for us to start up a relationship, for you to tell me that you've reconsidered my proposal.
Reconsider what? No, with who actually? You?
Come on.
Oh, please.
Both of us.
I could never be with you, Cletus. Even in my dreams, I will wake up. I know you're mad because I chose Maduka over you.
Babe, what is this all about?
Don't call me babe. You're playing games actually. Think I don't know what you're doing? I know you framed Maduka up so you could have me to yourself because I denied being with you. I will never be with you, Cletus. It's not possible.
Come on, babe. Me, Cletus, frame Maduka up? It's not possible. I mean, he's such a small boy. Yes, I can never go that far with that boy. It's not possible. Come on. Can we just say something nice? I know something. Let's talk about us and not Maduka.
We both know you're lying, Cletus. That you say this, I will get to the end of this. I will make sure justice has been served.
Babe, like I said, I don't know what I'm talking about. Babe, I think you're smart. That boy, he will rot in jail. Imagine a poor boy like Maduka dragging a woman I love so much with me.
Can you believe that Cletus vehemently denied calling Maduka on that day? Like he said he did not call him on that day.
Are you serious? That man is a liar. He threatened my brother. That he should break up with you. Oh, God.
I can attest to that because ever since I got into this estate, I haven't rested with Cletus. He keeps bugging me with love. I told him no several times, but he won't just let me be.
What are we going to do now?
Well, we can't do nothing at this point.
Can't do anything about it.
Yes.
My brother will be there forever.
No, that's not it. At this point, all we have to do is just to pray and hope. Because the lawyer is in the process of getting the call recording from the service provider company. Once he gets that, that is evidence, that is strong proof that Maduka was called on that day by Cletus. And that way, if we can have that evidence, it's settled.
Wait, you mean there's something like that? You can actually bring a call that has already been made back?
Definitely.
So wait, once we get that call now, everything has been
Maduka is out.
Hey.
You just have to pray and hope.
God,
this is good
let them
news.
get the call.
That's the evidence.
Just get the call.
That's it.
We get it, we are great.
That's it.
I'm happy.
And I'm 100% convinced that we are going to get him out.
Yes. So how are they going to get? Would they have to make another call?
The lawyer is in the process.
He will just tell them to bring the call back. Exactly. And they will bring it.
Yes. People calm down. Oh, he's going to come out. Maduka will come out, okay?
Okpa girl.
Bro.
Don't jump me, oh. I've suffered enough.
Bro, I miss you now. Stop doing this.
So you want to date me too? Whoa, leave me job with all this your Okpa muscle.
Don't you miss me? I've been worried about you for how many days now? Now that you're back, you're doing like this.
That's why you kill me, because I'm back. I've missed you too.
I miss you. And I was thinking about it too, that you will not come back. Oh.
You wanted me to die there?
How can I want you to die there? Do you know that Cletus man that used to come to the shop every time we die his car and be shouting, "Look at me, soft boy, join my business." You know he's 40 soon.
I know.
You know? Hi! Thank God you know so that you're not going to enter hand of.
Why do you think I know how to work with him before since?
Hi! I trust you, but where I did not trust you is fight. You are so weak. They say you are a soft boy, but not in money.
It's like you don't know that I was president in that set.
You were, hey, let me see if they don't wound my brother.
When I land somebody up my hand like this.
It's okay. I heard of one new thing. You know, it's technology. They used to bring you out of that place.
Technology?
If not for technology.
Wow, what happened?
I'm telling you the truth.
What did they do with it?
They went and you know that call you made with Mr. Cletus? They made the call again.
They made the call again?
Yes. Hey. They made the call. The service network providers made the call again.
SS3. Opa. Brain. Technology.
Oh, mama!
I told you that you don't just know anything.
Do you know that I've been having one kind of peace of mind since you left this place?
Call the police inside. They said she's part of it.
Part of
police,
what?
you come inside.
Part of what?
She's here.
Part of what?
Come and arrest her.
Oh, stop joking with me, Oba man. It's only Oba that you have in your brain.
Opa, girl, come on.
I will take you out.
So you did not know since that they used to record phone. That every call you make, that NCC used to call.
Which school did you put me?
The only thing I thank God is that it's not WhatsApp. You used to call me.
Which
school? You
school?
call me WhatsApp. There's no way they would.
If they call you on WhatsApp, it's not come. Why now?
It will not come. Opa. Congratulations on your passing out parade.
Thank you, babe.
And I do have something for you. Yes.
What's that?
Just chill. Hey, eyes closed.
All right. Eyes closed. Should I open?
Wait, chill.
Done. It's taking too long. Open?
Yes. Check your phone.
What are you doing? Oh, but you know you didn't have to pay back.
Well, I do. It was a loan, wasn't it? I did promise I was going to pay back.
It was, but I actually forgot about it.
No, you didn't have to. Business is doing really, really well. So yeah.
About that.
And I really want to thank you, babe, for everything you've done, for being so supportive. You know, I'll be nothing without you.
Oh, come on, don't say that.
But I really will be nothing
You're
without
here
you.
because of your hard work. You're here because you wanted to succeed. I mean, you put in all the hard work, so it's yielding, and I'm proud of you.
I really love you, Papa.
I love you so much, Monica.
Okay, so should I just take the drink? I guess I'll just go and keep.
And why would you do that?
Because it seems both of you have something.
Come on, bring that thing, Joe.
Don't shout at me. Don't shout at me. If you want to tell me, so just tell me.
You are still an awkward girl. Come on, bring this thing.
Can you stop? Thank you, princess. Thank you.
Stop what?
That's how.
You be indulging this awkward girl. Before you know anything, she forget where she came from.
Come sit close to me. Come here. Don't mind him.
See ya. Awkward girl.
Just stop.
Okpa.
Stop. See, I don't know what you call him. This Okpa head.
Now you want to drink juice. You sit down, balance, and want to drink juice.
Please.
I think they gave birth to you with juice. Oh, she's an Okpa girl.
Stop now. Haven't you upgraded? So you make me to start opening my mouth for you.
You will forever be an Okpa girl.
And you forever
No,
be an
I'm no
Okpa
longer.
man.
I have taken myself out. You're still an Okpa.
What did you say?
Can we just toast, please?
If I ever help you in that shop, call me a mad girl. If I ever help you.
Toast. Toast. To what, actually?
I'm not toasting with that one.
To family?
Toast.
What are you?
Bring the glass.
Toast.
Stop on
Toast.
stubborn man. I don't even know how you grew
To
up.
family!